Hey everyone, let me walk you through the first time setup of our plugin. When you open it for the first time, you will see all the collections laid out. From here, you can easily decide which one will be your primitives and which one will be your aliases. You also have the option to export text styles, because for us, it made sense to construct the Tailwind font size object directly from the Figma text styles. Because after all, that's what designers work with, and the text style structure is already super close to what we need for Tailwind. Now, when I hit save for the first time, the changelog shows all the tokens that will be added to the export. By folding the primitive, you can see the color collection I've set to aliases. Instead of hex value, the token refers to an alias, like neutral 400, for example. That's a game changer, because it gives designer total control over the live production theme. This helps solve a major production pain point by streamlining the hands-off from design to code. And of course, stay tuned for even more updates.